Hello everyone. Today let's prepare together the ideal buttercream to fill sweets and cakes, to coat cakes and create simple decorations. Now subscribe to our YouTube channel and let's start immediately with the recipe. Let's start by preparing condensed milk. Pour 250 milliliters of fresh milk and 300 grams of granulated sugar into a saucepan. Heat over medium heat. Then, add 40 grams of butter and a tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix well, bring to a boil and then lower the heat, leaving it to cook for 20 minutes. Keep an eye on the cooking and stir. At the end of 20 minutes, bring the mixture in a container and let it cool after covering it with cling film. When the condensed milk has cooled down, whisk 500 grams of softened butter at room temperature. Whisk for a few minutes at medium-high speed to obtain a homogeneous cream. Then, pour in 400 grams of condensed milk. We can use the homemade or packaged ones. We then blend for 2 to 3 minutes and the cream is ready. We can use it to fill and decorate cakes, as it is, or flavoring to taste. For example, if we want to prepare a coffee cream, we prepare a restricted espresso, add 2 teaspoons of instant coffee and mix well. Then, prepare the cream like this as seen above. Now we add the coffee little by little at the end of the preparation. try this recipe and let us know in the comments what you think. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel. And click on the bell. Click like and share it with friends, it will really help us. Thank you, and see the next video.